Hey guys, welcome to another weird video which actually it's very useful to a lot of people. I will teach you today how to get a microphone working perfectly fine on a budget. One of these. Some guys use them for their PlayStation games, for their PC games and whatnot, the Guitar Hero stuff. As you see, it's one of those. I bought it for $2. I don't know. I think you can find them in a lot of stores for extremely cheap. They're probably $2 to $5. But did you ever wonder if you can actually make videos or live streams with them and what's their quality? Well, we're about to try that today. And we're going to connect it to a regular phone, regular. It's a Note 20 Ultra. And then I'm going to connect it to my PC and you'll hear the audio from there as well. And let's see how that goes. First of all, you might need one of those OTGs that goes from USB Type C to USB Type A. And first of all, let me take this cover off because unfortunately this one doesn't fit perfect with the cover. It has that bumper on the bottom. And plug in the OTG. Boom, goes in. Then plug in the microphone. And now the microphone is plugged in. Okay, I don't need an endoscope camera. Then we go to our camera. I'm not going to film, as you see. I'm just going to start recording so you guys can see and you can guys can hear the audio coming from the microphone that I'm about to show you, and we're going to review if it's worth it. Pro video, microphone, USB microphone detected, which is good. That's what we want. And let's start recording. And you will hear now the audio from this microphone. Let's go. This audio right now is coming from the $2 Guitar Hero microphone. As you see, there's barely any surrounding noise, which is actually one of the best microphones you can find for streaming or making videos on the go. I don't have any pop filter on it. I don't have anything. It's just the microphone raw. As you hear, I would take this microphone all day long, making videos, making interviews. If you're one of the YouTubers that does interviews on the street, or just to make videos at home. I really like this microphone and I like the performance it gives. The sound quality is really high for a $2 microphone. And you can find them all the time in Goodwills and thrift shops and probably even on eBay for a few dollars. And with that said, let me pass to the other microphone before we go to the PC test. And as you heard, this microphone is really, really good. It's really as if it has noise canceling. And I have static noise on this room. I have static noise on the room because of computers and AC and all that. And that microphone is able to cancel the noise. Now, after that, let me take you to the PC and do it from there. Okay, now we're on PC. And let me put OBS in front of you right now. This is OBS. And as you see right now, let me put properties. I'm connected to microphone Elgato Wave 3, which, it sounds great. It's Elgato Wave 3. Can't get wrong with that. But now, let me switch it to the $2 Logitech Guitar Hero from Thrift Shop. Let's see how it performs on PC so you can make your videos sound amazingly clear without paying $150 or $300 or whatever. Let's switch it. And right now, I'm talking to you from the $2 microphone, the Logitech Guitar Hero that I bought for 2 full bucks. Can you tell me what is the difference? And I don't have a pop filter on it. I don't have it on a stand like the Elgato. I'm just holding it in my hand. And the sound from this microphone is coming just excellent. Excellent. I do not know why more people don't buy this microphone for really high quality audio, but maybe a lot of people don't even know or think about it. So, I hope this video sheds some light on something you've been looking for. A cheap but extremely high quality microphone for your videos, your vlogs, or interviews. And with that said, I hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time. Bye!